What we are showing here is our demonstrator for the Digital Product Passport 4.0. It's our concept to fulfill requirements for a digital product passport, which may be mandatory on a regulatory side. And what we are using is, or let's take a look inside of this control cabinet. What we are using to have the Digital Product Passport 4.0 are two concepts. The first concept are these QR codes you can see right there. These are the identification links. It's in IEC standard and available for everyone. It's an open standard. And the second one is the asset administration chain. It's also an IEC standard, also an open system, and it allows us to structure information for these products in a way that everyone can use this. Because one requirement of the Digital Product Passport is that different stakeholders, or customers, users, as well as market surveyors, they should have access to different information, and they should be able to interpret these information used them for their own needs. And so with these concepts, which are established in industry, we are able to provide a Digital Product Passport. And in this demonstrator right here, what we are doing is we calculate the product carbon footprint of this whole system. And we do this by using all these identification links, all these Digital Product Passports, to, in the end, sum up all the PCF values. Because the big problem is when the system integrator, so the cabinet manufacturer, would have to calculate the total value themselves, they would have to guess which components or which materials are inside these components. They do not know that. So they would have to ask the product suppliers to deliver the product carbon footprints, and then they may be delivered in different formats, in PDF data or PDF sheets or in paper documentation and so on, and they have to be manually typed in their own systems. It's a big effort, but with a DPP 4.0, we can just scan these components or just scan the products. Then we can access all information, including the PCF data, and then we can use these data automatically in our processes and sum up or calculate the product carbon footprint of the total of the whole system.